What if you could run an entire company completely by yourself, and your coworkers were all AI? By 2030, solopreneurs won't need teams. AI tools will handle design, marketing, customer service, even legal paperwork. You'll just give the vision, and the bots will execute. Platforms like GPT-powered managers, video editors, and finance bots will connect seamlessly, turning a laptop into a full-scale digital enterprise. Some entrepreneurs are already making six figures running AI companies today. No employees, no office, just smart automation working 24/7. By 2030, being a one-person company might be the new normal. Would you trust AI to run your business? Subscribe for more future tech you'll be living with soon.